Hi guys, so I have a swap reveal, and this swap is from, hold on, let me see, because it has someone else's name on the outside. This is from Kristie, and Kristie is Paper Snippets and Handcrafts on Instagram, and she also has an email address, and so she did put her business card, and she did put shipping, so thank you for that. And she says, thank you for hosting this swap again, hugs Kristie. Okay, so this is from Kristie, and it looks like Kristie has done a Christmas collection. So this is our first seasonal. We're almost at the end, and this is our first. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry guys, let me calm down. All right, so this is for me. So let's open it and see if there's any other instructions or anything in here. And I see something that I really like already. Okay, so this is a little item in here for me. So she has these Kinder Bueno bars, yummy. And she made me a little notebook, and look how she has my name right here. And she made a little tag, and it has this little velvet bow on here, which is so stinking cute. And then look, she made a little like cinch notebook, so cute. I love Christmas too. There's a little tag in here that says Merry and Bright, and she also has this little ho 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 right here, which is adorable. So let's look through this. Oh, so it looks like it's an actual notebook, and she has these little paperclip bows that she put in here. This is so stinking cute. It's like a little journal with these little folders and the tabs. Adorable. Here's another divider, and it's a double pocket. So there's like a big tag and a little tag, which is so cute. And then another one here with a big tag. And then she has, she's even put like a little pen holder, and she has a little mechanical pencil. I love pencils, so I love that. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get into her swap. So the first thing that I see here is a little tin, and it has her 4 dies in it. And I love how you used a tin to do this. So cute. And she put a little tag and a little bow on here, and she has this little sticker which you could remove and reuse, and then the washi tape makes it really easy. So then in here she has her 4 favorite dies, and it looks like, okay, here we go. So this is on like a little clear acetate covered piece of paper, and it looks like one of her favorite dies are these bows, and they're so cute. They're in 2 sizes, so it's like a triple bow. And we have this green one here, this red and black one, this little cutesy polka dot in one here. And then she also has this snowflake kind of rosette, so that those must be 2 of her, or 3. It could be 3 if this is the small one, but we'll see, because she also has a little tag set in this, and it's a tea holder, but it looks like a tag, so I always think of it as a tag. And we've seen this quite a few times. This is quite a few people's favorite die. So she has one of these little bows on top here, and then I think this is a belly band that slides right off. She has a picture of Santa here that's popped up on foam. And then when you open this, so she's actually made it into like a tag album, which is so cute, because we've also seen this be used, unless it's a different one. This one actually looks like it's actually made to be like a little tag album. And how cute, she made like a little embellishment book out of it. Sorry guys, something in my throat. So she has these cute little snowmen right here, adorable, that she paper pieced. And this poinsettia, which this may be one of her favorite dies as well. And she has all of these on acetate on top of paper, and you can see there's like a song behind here. And then yeah, some more of these little snowmen and these poinsettias, which are adorable. I love these. So actually I think that those are the 4. So maybe the rosette, the bows, the tags, or maybe the poinsettias and the snowman, and then the tag. Maybe this tag holder is just like a holder, or maybe maybe that's one of her favorite dies too. Either way, it's so cute, and I love how you put it in this this little, like with this little belly band like this. So cute, and I love it in this little tin. So we will put that in there and put this back in her. Well, I'll just put it right here for now. And then also we have a little bag here, and it has her notebook and her favorite decor. Okay, so she made a notebook also for them, and it's the same like the one she made for me. I keep putting this bag in my lighting, and I don't want to do that because I want you to be able to see. So this one, she has a little like cover here, and again, she has this little pocket here with the tag, the double tag pocket, and then in between here she has a few like regular like sheets of paper. And then that one right there. And then another these little cutesy paper clips. And another Santa here. And she has like some little tags in here. She reinforced the holes, which makes them nice and sturdy. And then she has another little clip right there. So that's in there. She also has her decor, which she loves these bows. She used the Valentine's Day ones, but they're good for Christmas too. She has a note to her swap partner. And then she also has some stickles. So she loves using these two items to make things pretty. I love your little mini notebook too. And then all of this is in this little bag, which is adorable. I love how she labeled everything too, so I would not be confused at all whatsoever. So then we also have, so I'll put this right here. I'll put it on this side. Put this over here. And then we also have this, which I think it had something taped right here. Let's see. It may have come off. Oh yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so this is Crafter's Choice 1 and 2 and her sweet treater in here. And I love how she used this little pencil holder from Walmart. So this opens up like here. And these are her Crafter's Choice items. So she has this adorable mailbox. She made a mailbox tag. So cute. And it says, Merriest wishes to you. And it has like, you know, it looks like there's mail coming out and flowers. And on the back, she put a little pocket and put some more tags here in a little like tuck spot. And another one of those poinsettias with a lot more layers. She put some stars behind it. So cute. This is very adorable. And then she reinforced the holes again here with these hole reinforcers that she die cut. This is so cute. I love these little stars here. And then she also has another Crafter's Choice. Oh, this is the sweet treat. Okay, so this is these are her two Crafter. I guess this is two Crafter's Choice, or maybe this shadow box is a Crafter's Choice item, but she used it to put her sweet treats in. This is such a good idea. And it's going to go to her favorite tool, which is in the box, which I kind of peeked at a second ago. But this is, oh, it's cute. So it's like just a little, I think this, yeah, it's a belly band. And she put more of these the little minis in there. What a great idea. She used she made it a shadow box. How cute is that? And she used, again, her favorite dies right here. And it's like a little ornament because you can hang it and there's a little bead right here. This is adorable. And I think, yeah, that's the back. That's just like a little layering piece on the back. That is so stinking cute. What a great idea. I don't use my my shadow punch nearly enough, but you have inspired me to take mine back out. I've used it over Christmas time, but I haven't used it again since then at all. I think, is that on the, yeah, I think it was like this. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up. So she has her two Crafter's Choice in there. So stinking cute. Thankfully, I don't have to retie this bow. My goodness gracious. So that is all good. And then I'm going to see if I can get this to stay in here. The other one stayed pretty good, but I don't know if it's just because this is plastic that it doesn't want to stay. Okay, there we go. All right, so then we have that. And then we have, you guys, her favorite tool. She included, so generous, one of these We Are Makers shadow punch boards. So that is what I was saying about that being one of her Crafter's Choice items. She included one of these punches for you. And I know this was really hard to get a while ago. This was really hard to get. Now it's like back in stock places, but she got one of these. Such a generous gift. And then the last item that's in here is a big one. This is her last Crafter's Choice item. And it is a big Crafter's Choice item, you guys. She made one of those altered little golden books. Can you even imagine? Look how cute this is. It's the night before Christmas. This is Crafter's Choice item number 3. She hung a little candy cane, which is adorable, on a little ring that's upside down heart. And she put a little bow on here and even a little bead spacer. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open this. So I have not made one of these, but I bought a Wicked book that I want to make look like something because I saw Wendy, who's glued with love. She made one for her crafty bestie, Melissa. And I'm like, ever since I saw hers, I'm like, okay, I need to make one of those. And I have so much Wicked stuff to put in it. So this is a Nightmare Before Christmas. And look, she actually made a spine for it. I know sometimes people will reuse the binding, or they'll like spiral bound it or something. So she actually made, this is really neatly done too. I like this a lot. So yeah, she did the spine in a way that I don't typically see, where usually when people bind it, you can't see the spine, but hers, this is her spine right here. This is a nice way to do it. And then she mirrored it over here. I have not seen it done this way, but I also haven't seen a lot of altered golden books. So I don't know if this is a standard practice with that, but I do like this binding. It looks good. Oh, it's because you know why? It's because she didn't want to cover this up. Normally this would have been covered up by a paper, but because she wanted to see that. That's such a good idea. I love that. Okay, so this is a little altered book. It's like a little like journal, but it's like a altered mini album. Oh my gosh, I love it already. Okay, I'm gonna have to like redo this like with different papers. Oh my gosh, it's so cute for Christmas though. Okay, so this says Deck the Halls, and it's a magnetic closure. I was wondering about that. And then you open it up here, so you can put pictures here. She made a little paper clip right here, which is adorable. She has this little doily, and then in front of it she has these layered circles, and it's a tuck spot for these cute tags that she put in here. And then how cute. I wonder if this is no, I think this is paper that she got from somewhere else, but how it goes perfectly with this. So because I know a lot of times they'll keep some of the pages. It doesn't look like she kept many of them. Bless you, baby. It doesn't look like she kept, sorry, my son is in here. It doesn't look like she kept many of the original pages in here. This is also magnetic. Another spot for pictures. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. So this looks like paper from the collection. Oh, so maybe that is a sheet of paper from the because does that Santa look the same? No, it isn't. It's a difference. I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway, so she made these tags. Adorable. This is so stinking cute. Girl, do you have a tutorial on this? Because it is so cute. Did you follow one? Did you make one? Tell us. So there's a little waterfall here. You can put pictures on both sides, or you can journal on one side, pictures on the other. And then she kept another sheet here. I don't know if this is from, this looks like Frosty, so I don't know if it came from the same book or not. And then this closes here, and then you have this page right here, which opens up, and it says do not open until Christmas. Well, we are breaking the rules because we're opening it. Look at this. So we have these tags, these little tucks right here. And I have this die and I've never used it, and now I need to take it out because I've been making little journals, and why haven't I used this? What am I even thinking? I love how you added these little tabs. That's such a great idea. And then you open it up. Again, there's another waterfall right here, and it says Dear Santa. So cute. Yeah, I don't know if these are pages from the that'd be so cool though if these came out of the little book. And then there's a little card here, and then this one has the date, and then two more tags right here, and then we showed that already. And then on this side we have some more tucks right here. I love these golden pockets. Love. I love matting with gold or even holographic. Okay, and here's the book. Okay, so she actually, that's sweet. Okay, so she did take out the whole book, but she left it in here so that you could actually take it out and read it. She put seam binding on here. This is a great idea. I bought one of these books recently, actually, and this is giving me all the inspiration. Okay, I'm gonna scrap lift this for sure. So if you take this out with the seam binding underneath, she has a little card, and then she has another waterfall. So there are so many opportunities for pictures, and how cute is this? Because I actually got one of these for one of my kids in a book that they like. And I can just imagine like giving it to them for their birthday with their pictures in it, right? Wouldn't that be so cute? And then look at the back. Girl, you did a great job on this. I have not seen one that like a little golden book that I like more than this one. Like this is my favorite design of any of these that I've seen on the internet. This is so cute. So if you have a tutorial, please let us know. I don't see on her business card that she has YouTube, but for some reason, I have a feeling that she does. So if she does, it will be linked, like the @ will be in the title of this video. And then I will have all of her Instagram info in the description bar. So make sure you go over and follow her and give her all the crafty love. And I'm so glad you did a Christmas collection, because this is literally epitome. Like, you love Christmas, do Christmas. Like, that's what we want. So Kristie, thank you so much for joining. You guys, we are almost at the finish line. We have one more swap after this, and then I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I've been making with my favorite things. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of this swap as well as all the others, there's a playlist in the description bar that has a link to all of the reveals from this year and last year. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.